So if you look at from the employer's perspective, there are certain competencies are absolutely necessary. You need to have literacy, that means you can read and write. You need to have numeracy, that means you are able to count and you are able to deal with accounting and basic mathematical operations. And you also now have to have digital literacy, where you can work with the computers and the system which are kiosk, and you are able to look at that. So numeracy, literacy and digital literacy are the basic fundamentals. And then of course there are things like communication skills, and then specific skills required in that particular area. If it is a high-tech advanced manufacturing, then you need a very specialized education. So if you have a competency-based system where a learner is learning in an iterative way, mastering different aspects or different concepts, and sufficient evidence is collected as they go through this program, and then we can, based on the continuous improvement method, until they get the 100% competency, and then they can take any amount of time. Some of them will take less amount of time, some of them may need more time, and there will be an average time required for you to spend on these kinds of system. And if they come out with a certification that they have reached certain competency, then the employers will feel very confident to hire these people who are either coming from low competency to now at the higher competency, employable level of competency, or they may be the workers who are retraining. So they were in a job which is not available anymore. So they were in, let's say, in leather industry. The leather industry, let's say, is gone to other countries. Now they want to get into industry which is more of a new service industry of creating new advanced manufacturing parts. So they have to now get into machining rather than leather goods. So in this case, you have to retrain them. So the employer in the machining industry would want an evidence. So these are the evidence-based competency systems where we can train and collect enough evidence and give it to the learners, and we can also give it to prospective employers. So now they are saying, okay, I have this person who is fully trained, and of course they can do their own measurements and their own assessments, but with that they will have much better chance to get the right kind of people. And I do want to mention is that in advanced manufacturing there are millions of jobs not filled, and the advanced manufacturing industry in the United States is saying that where are the workers, and some of these industries cannot get people from other countries because of the requirement of security clearances. So we have to create indigenous people with high competency and with the confidence that they can be employed, and they have the confidence to do the job, and employer have the confidence that they can do the job. And that's why this adaptive competency-based systems are going to be critical for the workforce development.